Buongiorno and benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this luxury villa for sale in Punta Ala. Check it out. In today's video, we will be touring an exclusive luxury villa for sale in the renowned town of Punta Ala near Castiglione della Pescaia. This prestigious property is immersed in a wonderful natural landscape and enjoys a spectacular panoramic view of the sea and the surrounding hills. This recently renovated property has 4 perfectly arranged levels and is surrounded by a well-kept private garden of 500 square meters, which houses a charming swimming pool. This 380 square meter property is characterized by very bright, comfortable, and tastefully furnished spaces down to the smallest detail. The living area features a fabulous living room, an elegant TV room, and a dining room from which you can directly access a spacious and modern kitchen with a central island. The property also comprises 4 modern bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. The first floor of the villa is completely dedicated to leisure and relaxation, welcoming an impressive wellness area with a jacuzzi and Turkish bath. Modern, elegant, and sophisticated. This is what makes this enchanting property the ideal home for anyone wishing to enjoy peace and tranquility, one step away from the splendid Tuscan sea. Ma ora, venite con me. Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you this exclusive villa for sale in Punta Ala. It is brand new, has been recently and thoroughly renovated, and has never been lived in. It has an elevated position and we are in an elite residential area of Punta Ala. Before going inside, I want to point your attention to the linear stone facade, which is interrupted by these cool shades that ensure maximum privacy to the villa but do not cut off the sunlight. From the ground floor, we can access an independent 50 square meter apartment, which is equipped to host a bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, and a small dining living area. This is perfect if you're hosting guests and you want to give them further independence, or it can be used as a service quarter. From here, we have a direct access to the garage with automated gate that can host up to 2 cars and has LED lighting. Over here we have the staircase that brings us to the other levels of the villa. In total there are 4 and they follow the slope of the hill. And last but not least is the elevator. So if you come home with your groceries and suitcases, that's okay. You can just take this cozy elevator. And that is what we're going to do right now. So follow me. Welcome to the first floor. This area of the house is dedicated to the wellness of the body and the soul. Immediately to my right is the spa. Just look at this gorgeous spa. The choice of materials here was spot on. I mean, just look at the travertino tiles that cover the wall. The spa features a jacuzzi tub, a hammam, and a rain shower, which are all covered in lighter and darker tones of mosaic tiles. I want to point your attention also to this wooden feature that surrounds the jacuzzi, which is simply gorgeous. But the most unique feature of this room is the path created on the floor with a larger and slightly elevated tiles. That is because there is the possibility to fill the floor with water, creating a stream-like sensation. This is a very zen property and we will continue to see elements like this throughout the tour. And to complete the rejuvenating process is the surround sound system, so you can listen to your calming music and truly maximizing your spa experience. Always on this floor, we have an extra room that could be used for multiple purposes. It could be an ideal study or even an extra bedroom. It has its own bathroom and a large window that looks onto the garden. We are on the second floor where we find the property's living area. Adjacent to the elevator is this external dining area, which has its strategic position. Given the way in which the property was built, it ensures a nice flow of breeze constantly, so you can truly appreciate and enjoy your al fresco meals. Other than that, this space is perfectly connected to the kitchen. The first thing we notice is that the living area is a large open space. Immediately here, we have a dining area that looks onto a terrace that wraps around the floor. Windows are a common denominator here. Each space has more than one, and when the French windows are all open, the indoors and the outdoors truly blend together. This ensures natural light all day long, even when it's cloudy. Opposite to the dining area is this large window that looks onto the kitchen. It reminds me of those restaurants where you can look into the kitchen and see what the cooks are preparing. So even when you're seated, you feel as if you're a part of the experience. The kitchen has LED lighting and the countertops are made in stone. Here we have the latest stainless steel appliances, like the Elica exhaust fan, the Samsung double fridge, and the Foster fire top. I like how they're disposed linearly and not two and two. Central to the room is the island, which also has a breakfast area and a dishwasher. But the true luxury of this villa is the elevator. So with the minimum effort, you can bring your groceries up and in a second they're in the fridge. Continuing with the open space, opposite to the dining area, we have this reading area where we find two couches facing each other and a coffee table that divides the space. Over here we have customized cupboards that are right on top of an electric fireplace that you can enjoy in the wintertime. Next to which is the access towards the outdoors terrace that we're gonna see in a second. Opposite to the fireplace is the separator wall that divides the reading area from the TV room, which is the perfect spot to enjoy a good movie on the large flat screen right in front of you. The property has an excellent ventilation system, ensuring the perfect temperature all year round. Also, this room has travertino floors and many windows on each wall. But now let's go check out outside. Here we are on the terrace that, as mentioned before, wraps around the whole floor. The property offers a variety of balconies and terraces which are covered in teak wood, which is an excellent choice for outdoor flooring because it is weather resistant and it has an elegant appearance. Here we have a sunbathing area which looks onto the swimming pool covered in mosaic tiles. That gives the water that enticing color that really calls you to just jump in. I know I would love to jump in right now. I love how they use a glass separator and a glass railing for the staircase because it is an elegant material and it does not disrupt the stone facade. The villa has an excellent external lighting system so you can enjoy all the outdoor areas also during the evening. Just look at these plants and the stone path with the lighter rocks all around it. Doesn't it give you the same zen vibe as the spa? The staircase leads to the terrace where we can find the bedrooms and access to the rest of the garden above. Speaking of bedrooms, let's go and check out the third floor where we find the bedroom area. On this floor, we can find 4 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. And here we have the first one. I love this bedroom. It is flooded with natural light, has its own ensuite bathroom and private terrace, from which we have one of the most spectacular views of the house. Let's go check it out. I mean, just look at this. You wake up and the first thing you see is the surrounding nature, and as soon as you turn your gaze, you have one of the most spectacular views over the sea. What do you think? Continuing along the hallway to my left is a second bedroom with ensuite bathroom. This double bedroom looks onto the surrounding landscape and has a really unique feature, which is the header of the bed, which is actually a glass wall that separates the bedroom area from the bathroom. The bathroom has a bathtub with closable cover, a rain shower that looks onto the surrounding landscape, his and her vanities, as well as separate toilet. while to my right is a smaller bedroom with ensuite bathroom and access to a balcony, which is shared with the master bedroom, which is at the end of the hallway. The master bedroom has beautiful travertino floors and closets that are customized to fit the space perfectly. The master bathroom has its own rain shower, which is separated from the bathtub, has his and her vanities, and a large window that looks on the outside. The main materials used here are travertino, mosaics, and glass. But we're not done just yet. From the balcony, we can access the rest of the garden, so follow me. The Zen garden continues also up here. We are surrounded by a variety of plants that offer beautiful perfumes. The garden is developed on 2 levels, and we can really see how the property develops along the slope of the hill. From this spot, we can enjoy a spectacular view over the sea, and right in front of me there is the possibility to add a jacuzzi tub. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this luxury property for sale in Punta Ala. On that note, ciao!